Today we're going to talk about the sigmatic future of active and middle verbs in ancient Greek. And the sigmatic future is actually very easy. So as always, we go to our first principal part. Here we're going to use luo. We drop off the omega to get our stem. And we're going to add our endings. And if you note, these are our normal present endings with a sigma before it. So luso, I will loosen. Luseis, you will loosen. Lusei, he, she, it will loosen. Lusomen, we will loosen. Lusete, y'all will loosen. Lususen, they will loosen. So these endings should be very familiar. They just have that thematic sigma before them. And even with the infinitive and the participle, this works. So loosein, to be about to loosen, is your infinitive. Your participles, looson, loosusa, and looson, using the same endings, third declension, first short alpha, third declension, right? The future middle is no different. Here we have luomai, I ransom. Again, we drop off our ending to get our stem, lu. And we're going to see our normal endings with the sigma before them. So lusomai, I will ransom. Lusei, or lusei, you will ransom. Lusete, he, she will ransom. Lusometha, we will ransom. Lusesthe, y'all will ransom. Lusontai, they will ransom. Normal middle endings with a sigma before it. And the same holds true for the infinitive and for the participle. So you can pause here, take notes on all of these. And then finally we're going to look at a few aberrations from this rule, because we always have contracts. So if your stem ends with a labial, when that labial meets the sigma, it will turn into a psi. So the sigma drops out, as does the labial, and they both become psi. This happens with blepo, pempo, grapho, verbs that their stem, once you drop that omega, ends with a labial. Velar stems, that sigma meets the velar, and they combine to be a psi. So again, both the velar and the sigma drop out and change to a psi, and this happens in lego, dioko, decomai, verbs that end with a velar after you drop the omega, or here in the middle, the omai. And finally, dental stems, or stems that end with a zeta, you're just going to drop the dental or the zeta. So these are verbs like sputo, patho, pato. You drop the dental altogether or the zeta altogether and just keep the sigma.